We'll try it a third time. So, I was talking about heat and sound energy and them actually being a subheading or a subtopic of another type of energy. How does sound work?
Vibrational.
Vibrational. Okay, very good. What does vibration sound a bit like?
Waves and light.
Yeah. All right. Normally when I'm doing sound, right, if I'm teaching sound in Year 9, I'll get a bunch of kids to stand up in the middle and then I'll push a wave through them. And what happens? If they're standing shoulder to shoulder, what happens? He moves, the next one moves, the next one moves, and I show them that. What does that look like? Describe what I'm doing when I push a kid and then they all wobble down the line.
Waves.
If I... Movement. What type of energy is movement energy?
Every action has an equal and opposite.
Kinetic. Okay. What about
Newton's third law.
when I'm teaching sound or when I'm teaching states of matter? What states of matter related to? You've got liquids, solids and gases. What's that related to? How do you change a state of matter?
Temperature.
Temperature, that's like heat energy, correct?
Yeah.
So if I'm teaching states of matter, and some of you might have been in my class when I do this, I'll get kids to group up together. And then I'll say, I'm heating you up, I start moving them around, say move, 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 and then they become a liquid and they go to the back of the room. And then they become a gas. What happens when they become a gas?
They bounce around.
Start moving more. So do they move less or more as they get hotter? What happens when you put your hand in a frying pan? Why? Why, when you touch a frying pan, does it hurt? How does the heat transfer? What type of energy? What's the heat energy transfers through? Conduction. What's conduction?
Vibration.
Vibrations. So what's happening when we talk about heat energy? What's it really talking about? At the atomic level. So at the atomic level, kinetic energy. So, waiting. Why do I take our time to talk about heat and sound? What am I trying to say that they're really a form of? Kinetic energy. They're just applying on a level that's small to us. We can't see it. But sound waves, that's just bumping particles hitting our ear. Heat energy is just particles vibrating faster. So it's kinetic energy at an atomic level. Cool? I'm going to tell you right now that your assignment's on one of those two types of energy.
I think it's sound.
So you can start getting your head around the idea there.
So